Alright, this is a chunk of standard Ivory soap in the microwave. Alright, sweetie, kill the lights.
So, if I can find the buttons. Alright, there we go.
Okay, something's going wrong in there. It's emanating things. It's kind of ghostly. I smell soap. And it's coming apart. Oh no.
You can smell it.
Yeah, you can.
This is like grainy UFO footage.
It's going on the internet.
We're gonna have to do this again at some point with a better window on a microwave. It's getting foggier.
Ooh, now I can really smell it.
It could be that foggy because you can't see it because it's up against the window.
Yeah, you can actually make out the difference in color better on the video.
I think it's grown to its maximum.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and hit the light.
I think much like the Peeps.
Yeah, watch